Helium. It's like air. Yeet. The definition of helium is the following. Helium is a chemical element with symbol He, and atomic number 2. It is a colorless, odorless, tasteless, non-toxic, inert monatomic gas, the first in the noble gas group in the periodic table. Its boiling point is the lowest among all the elements. But let's start from the very beginning. First of all, the element that we will talk about today is called helium. Most people think about balloons when you say the word helium. This is because helium is the type of gas used to make balloons. Helium is not oxygen. Oxygen and helium are two different elements. Let's start by looking at the atom of helium. Here is the picture. As you can see by the atomic number, which is the same as the proton. The atomic number is 2. That also means that the number of protons is 2. Now down here, we can see that the atomic mass, also known as protons plus neutrons, is about estimated to be 4. Now let's check out the number of electrons. We will assume that this atom is neutral, meaning that the same number of positively charged protons has the same number of negatively charged electrons. In this case it'll be 2 electrons. Now last but not least, the electrons are in one energy level. Since there are only 2 electrons, and 2 electrons is the limit for the first outer shell, the 2 electrons will completely fill the first and only outer shell of the atom of helium. Afro gum, mind zooming in? Also, rice gum sucks. This is the periodic table. This is helium on the periodic table. As you can see the atom helium on the periodic table. I don't know what I'm doing with my life. Help me. As Ms. Torres told you, and I hope you've been paying attention, to find what kind of period the element is, you look horizontally. And to find the group numbers you look vertically. In this case, the group number is 18. Did you pay attention while I was talking? Or were you worried about your—
Hello, my name is Becky. I will be taking over since Bob, had a little accident. Let's start off with flammability. Helium is an extremely light gas. So it is volatile, which means it can easily evaporate at normal temperatures. It is chemically non-active, so it is not flammable. Next, can helium conduct electricity? Again, since helium is non-reactive, it cannot conduct electricity. So, you may be asking yourself, with what is helium reactive to? Well, with nothing. That is, under normal circumstances. This is because it is a noble gas. Trivia time. The reason why helium is called a noble gas, and coincidentally doesn't react with anything, is because back then, the nobles didn't react with normal or common people. See, pretty interesting, huh? The next question. I'm not sure what the next question is asking, but the question is, the electrical conductivity of helium makes it one of the least, most, or average in this property. I will try to answer your question. I would say the average, since most noble gases also are very non-reactive. But if we were to compare helium to other elements, perhaps least average of not reacting with other elements. Hope that helps. Anyway, let's start talking about myself.
Hey. Why are you here?
Because you left.
That doesn't mean you can just take over my show.
This isn't even a show.
No,
oh my God,
I am
you
the
are
president.
So full of
Whatever
yourself.
I say I am right.
You
No,
look
you
like
shut
a
up.
corn with a wig
You can't
on.
tell me what to do.
Make me.
My hair is
what
fine.
Kind of
You're just jealous,
spray-on
Becky.
did you buy?
No, shut
oh
up
my
now.
God, you are
You're so
rude.
jelly. How pathetic.
No, shut up.
Enough. The real boss is me. I made you too, but it seems it has gotten out of hand. Enough is enough.
Wonder why your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street. Under the sun, the bastard son will pop the clock to feed himself and family. My enemies, your enemies, my enemies